Hi Momshies! Welcome to a new vlog. It's been so long. Ayan. So today is start ng homeschool day. Ano sa'yo, Dad? Ayan. We're going to open their box from BCB's Homeschool. Tara, let's do it.
Hand it.
Hmm?
But my hand did not got it. And it was got the pointy.
Oh, good job. Oh, here. You have a book.
We
A blue bag for your books. Yours, Ringlight, is the red book, right? Wow, you have a tin can.
It's like I scratched the,
I have
the
a
head.
You have a can.
Scratch it.
I like it.
And these are all your books for this year.
I also like this hand.
Wow, you have math. We have science.
Science? Where's the science?
Ay, anak naman. Science. Reading and phonics. And Tagalog. Wikang sarili. Ayan. And we have this, your daily chart. You can write your name, birthdays.
No, it's a
Letter
cake.
Tracy and
It's also a cake.
Oh, you also have shapes, kuya, and numbers, and letters.
And also cake.
Let's see what's inside. First quarter. Wow. Your receipt. Oh, you have the same things as Ringlight. You have more posters for you. Oh, there. You have lots of posters. Cleaning. Yours is Superman, kuya. Oh. Superman. You have the same. You have the same things. You have pens, crayons, spelling tickets.
Superman? What?
And you have a shirt too.
That's
BCB shirt.
This one also.
Yeah, you have the same. Your placemat. First day of kinder. Yay!
They are kinder.
Yeah. You have poster print, same as Ringlight. And yours is red. See? You have red apron. And
That's my apron.
put it on your hat. Come on, closer. Closer to me. Yes. Look at you. So handsome. And apron. That's when we do our arts. So that you not be dirty. Ayan. We have experiment. We have this, oh.
Yeah.
You have lots of... Ay, stop with that sticker, Ringlight.
I don't know what it is.
Okay. Week 1, activities. Week 2, activities. Ayan, dado. Naka-ano na siya.
This one.
Naka-organize na by week. May mga activity siya. Wow. Week 3, pati materials, andyan na rin. 4, 5, 6, 7. So, this is your stuff. Oh, you're happy now? Now you open your stuff. There's spider. And you have different stuff with Ringlight. You have different work.
We first have spiders.
Yeah, for you. Different works every day. And that one's for Ringlight. Almost the same, no? Everything red lang for Ringlight. Get your tin can. That's it. What are you drawing, anak?
I'm drawing a Mia.
Is that you?
Ooh. It was my powers.
Your
my
powers.
Did the big point I do a robot.
Oh, okay.
The next day.
So, mga mamshi ko na bago lang mag-homeschool, kagaya ko, ito. Let's do this together. So, today is, anong oras na? 8:47 na. So, ang schedule na dumating kasama nung binili kong box, may time siya. So, ako, ipa-follow ko na lang kung ano yung nakaschedule per time. So, 8:45 to 9 a.m. free play. We already did that. Kanina pa kami gising. So, mag-start na kami sa good morning song. And then, nag-song na kami kanina. So, now, we're doing circle time, which is, good morning song and calendar. So, ito, my daily chart na calendar. I will ask my kid. What day is today? What day is today?
Sunday.
Wednesday. And month. Today is August 23, 2023. And what's the weather outside? What's the weather outside? Is it cloudy? And how are you feeling today? Are you feeling happy, sad, excited, angry? What are you feeling? Are you feeling? Are you feeling sad? Not. Are you feeling happy? Feeling? How's your feeling? Happy? Are you feeling happy? Sleepy? Sleepy?
I'm feeling.
Shy?
I'm shy.
You're shy. Okay, you're feeling shy today.
To the other kids.
Okay, let's do the vowel songs. So, itong binilan ko ng BCB, may sinend silang email ng mga songs. So, yun nandin ang songs namin. Ito. Pero hindi ko ata mabivideo yun kasi makaka-copyright tayo. Pero, dyan naman na kayo. Magpa-fast forward tayo. Okay, so, sa box, may kasama din siyang chart na parang Ferris wheel. And then, may corresponding siyang parang siyang game na meron siyang instructions and parang song. Then, may tutorial video kung paano siya piniplay. So, yun yung gagawin namin ngayon. Ayan.
Stick it. Look, I made this. It's like O. It's
Yes,
around.
and O. So, sabi doon sa instructions nung homeschool namin, so this is the suggested schedule. Ayun, nilagay ko na rin pala yung Ferris wheel poster sa may door namin para madali nilang ma-access. Tapos, sabi doon sa instructions, pag yung anak mo gusto niya ibang activity, it's either you let them do the activity that they're interested in and then you can come back to the plan. So, this is just a suggested guide. So, ayan. So, ngayon, as you can see,
Almost.
yes, ayaw sumunod ng anak ko na to sa aming plano na letter A lang ang aming aaralin. So, ang interest niya ngayon is mag-clay, maglaro sa Play-Doh. So, ngayon, i-adjust ko na lang yung activity niya na malapit sa curriculum ko. So, since we're learning about vowels, short vowel sounds, yung mga vowel sounds na lang, yung papalagyan ko ng Play-Doh sa kanya. So, ganon. Tapos, babalikan na lang namin yung ibang activity sa plan na hindi niya nagawa. Okay? So, supposedly, letter A lang ang gagawin namin today. Tapos, we're gonna do letter A na nasa book na included din sa BC Books. Ayan. Lahat ng letter A, ayan. Supposedly, yan ang gagawin niya today. And project time niya rin supposedly is ito. Meron siya pala per week. So, this week, ito lahat ng projects namin this week. First week namin, nakalagay na siya dito. Naka-print out na. May mga activities na siyang ganyan. So, nakakatawa, no? Ano na lang. Oh, may highlight pala. Oh, highlighter. It also comes with the tools. So, ayan, may kasama siyang highlighter. Ayan. Si Kuya River kasi, yung unang anak ko, meron kaming ginawa din na parang preschool, preparatory program. Yung talagang finalo niya talaga by the book. Kasi si Kuya, ganun yung personality niya. And for this second son, iba ang personality nito. Kaya I have to adapt and change with him. So, ayan. So, as of today, si Kuya River, marunong na siya medyo marunong na siya magbasa. Memorize niya na yung mga letters. Pati marunong na rin siya magsulat ng pangalan niya. So, hindi ako masyado strict kay Kuya. Ito lang si Kuya, si Rainrain, medyo starting pa lang siya. So, ayan, pina-follow ko yung interest niya kasi yeah, magkaiba yung mga bata. Magkaiba sila ng personality. Si Kuya talagang kaya niyang sundin yung strict schedule. So, medyo relax lang ako kay Kuya ngayon kasi baka mamaya pa siyang gabi. Oh, it's for orange. Very good. What's the next vowel sound?
The last one, this one.
Oh, what is that? What vowel sound is that?
I don't know.
What letter is it?
I don't know.
It's letter U. Umbrella. For umbrella. And then, the sound is Can you say Umbrella. Can you say for umbrella?
I can't find it.
It's here.
That.
Yeah, that one. Okay, okay. Put a clay on it. So, yun. So, ganun. A-adjust ka sa anak mo sa personality nila kung anong. Kasi, trinay ko yung curriculum dati ni Kuya. Yung binili ko ring course before for Kuya kay Rain. Parang hindi siya effective. So, ayan. Medyo different approach tayo ngayon. And, sinali ko na rin si Kuya. May ibang box si Kuya. For kinder naman sa kanya. Actually, August 28 pa mag-start dapat yung class. Pero since, yeah, medyo may oras tayo ngayon, itatry nating mag-start na ng homeschool. Maganda sa homeschool is you do it on your own time. For example, maaga kami matapos for the school year or for the quarter, di na kami, mas early din yung bakasyon. Pero pag, for example, hindi namin ma-follow, pwede namin ihabol. So, magde-depend din sa schedule namin. So, ayan. Ayan. Very good, anak. So, nag-aano na siya. Nag-play-doh. So, for the rest of the day, ito, tatry ko na lang na gawin ito. Ano yun? So, ayan. Ngayon, nagawa niya na yung gusto niyang gawin sa clay. Mas, ano na siya, mas gusto niya nang mag-follow ng aming plan sa activities for today. Ayan. So, he's now doing the activities for letter A. Very good, anak. Ayan. Color the apple red. Good job. So, ang maganda dito, pagkatapos ng kalat namin, pasok ko lang din agad siya sa box. So, nandito lang lahat ng box. Yung mga kailangan naming activities, pati yung t-shirt nila, may homeschooling shirt sila. Ayan. Andito na lahat ng gagamitin. At saka mga activities ng mga paganyan. Oh, yes. You put a green on the leaves. Very good. And this one, you can put a crayon on it. Color rainbow, write it. You can make it a rainbow, letter A. Color the A in the inside.
Color this one now. Brown, of course. Where's
Brown.
the
Oh, it's just there. Good. Ayan. So, kasama na din dito yung poster. Ayan. As in, wala ka na talagang bibilhin.
Already, Mama. Already.
Oh, good job. And now, color letter A. Yeah, on the inside only, ha? On the inside. Yan. Very good. So, ayan. And then, we can also focus sa week 1. Week 1 lang din. Yes, you can, anak. Good job. So, ayan na po siya.
I mean, the other brigade.
Yeah, it's your first time to trace, anak. No, very good. Ayan, first time to trace. And he wrote letter A there, very good. And this is a rainbow A, right?
Yes.
Nice. Ayan po, si Baby Rain. So, Momshies, tapos na kami mag-homeschool ni Baby Rain. Ayan, nanonood siya ng cartoons. And I'm preparing our lunch kasi quarter to 11 na. Dadating na si Dada. And pagdating nun, gutom na gutom yun palagi kasi inaasikaso niya yung aming construction ng bahay. Siya ang naging aming foreman doon. Kasi alam niyo naman, pag nagpa-construct kayo ng bahay, ang daming problema, you know, ang daming decision making. So, I wanna make sure na si Dada, pag uwi niya, may pagkain talaga siya na naka-ready at nakahanda. And today's special day, ayan, meron na kaming rice na nakaluto na. Kasi it's been a long time na parang puro lang kami gulay at saka isda yung kinakain namin. So sabi ko today naman, in the middle of the week, sorpresahin ko siya ng aking shrimp pasta. Meron siyang ganitong matira sa bahay. Bumili na lang ako ng shrimp. And meron kaming pork chop na request niya sanang today. So, parang, walang special occasion. I just want him to feel like a king that he is kasi he always treat me like a queen. So, ayun. I just wanna prepare something nice for him for lunch. And ayan. Meron lang akong chinap na veggies for pampari sa pork chop din and for the kids. And ayan. May beans tayo na iba blanch. Yun na yun, pares ng pork chop. Tapos yung pasta na shrimp. And kasi meron din akong kasama sa church na accountant. So, yun na rin ang isa-serve kong merienda mamaya. Si Rosan, if nanonood ka, ayun. She's gonna help me with my business. So, ayun, prepare na rin tayo ng pangkain sa bisita para isa kang lutuan na lang. So, ayun. Tara! And this is it, pansit, mga Momshies. Ayan ang ating final product. Thank you for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoyed our day today. See you on the next one. Bye!